Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Save time and money and stop looking. Your next dream home site already has the seawall and concrete dock installed and is ready to accept your dream home. This amazing freshwater lot is just a stone's throw away from the amazing intersecting canal view, not to mention it is surrounded by newer waterfront homes in this great neighborhood. Centrally located close to the thriving Pine Island corridor, providing quick access to many new shops and restaurants. Enjoy calling Cape Coral home, one of Southwest Florida's first Purple Heart cities. Call today for details.